Hey y'all, I'm in the car right now. I was gonna film as we were like walking out the airport and running around to go do some errands so we can clean the hotel room. But we got our COVID shot yesterday. Basically, we got the second dose of the vaccination yesterday. And so if you do have any symptoms, you usually feel it like the next day. I don't have any, but my boyfriend had chills this morning. So it was a struggle a little bit for him. And then those chills kind of left, and I guess they came back when we were about to get off our airplane. Didn't want to film too much, and he didn't feel the best. We actually were very lucky today. I thought, this is my first time like back to traveling since COVID's happened. And usually when you go through security, you have to take your shoes off. And the guy was like, you gotta take your shoes off. And I'm like, gotta tell us twice. And then we found the perfect 2-seater only row for us. Excuse me, so that was amazing. So it was like smooth. It was just the flight was a little bit uncomfortable. Seats couldn't recline fully and stuff. So it's kind of hard to go to sleep. So we were both in and out of sleep. And then, like I said, he had chills. We are in Kissimmee, Florida. We go to Disney World tomorrow. And the rest of the week, we leave Wednesday. When we booked our Disney World tickets, Magic Kingdom's taken, Universal Studios are taking, so we got Epcot Animal Kingdom. So we're gonna try to do a park hopper. That way, we can kind of see all the parks like we're supposed to. Hopefully we can get our feet in and get to do that. We're gonna go get food and like start enjoying ourselves and relaxing before tomorrow starts. I think we're going to Animal Kingdom, so they're opening pretty early, closing pretty late. But like I said, we're gonna ride the rave tomorrow and see if we can like park hop.
I don't know where we're going right now, but I know we're heading towards Pandora. We'll see, but the crowd doesn't look that bad right now. Yeah, so we just upgraded our park tickets to Park Hopper so that hopefully we can get through to Magic Kingdom or Hollywood Studios, because that's all booked up.
We're here. They started a line. There it is. Wait, so is it 90 minutes from that entrance?
No.
Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
out into the beautiful Harambe Wildlife Reserve. This is anyone's first safari ever. Woohoo! Oh yes, I see some hands. Well, welcome to you friends, welcome back to everyone else. I'm excited to show you the reserve. Twin Day friends, once again, that means let's go. Make sure to have your cameras out and ready if you are hoping to get some good pictures, because I won't be able to stop for every animal, and likewise, they won't always stop for us. They are wild animals after all. Heading from the forest toward the Saki River, and as the name would suggest, we're coming to a large body of water, so we should keep our eyes peeled on land and in the water for animals that live in these parts. Look behind the island to our left side. So these are all Nile hippos. They can hold their breath for 8 minutes at a time. That's how long they can stay fully submerged. And they can swim, but generally they choose to walk or glide along the bottom of the riverbed. These are pigback pelicans, the large white birds on the island. They get their names because the skin on their backs takes on a dusty pink color during their mating season. Now we've made it to higher and drier ground, and at the crest of the hill there is a large leafless tree. This is called a baobab tree. It will remain leafless for about 9 months out of the year. So most of the time it looks like somebody planted it with its roots in the air, just completely upside down. And you might also notice that they're not that old. There's a baby rhino. Almost missed it. So straight to our left side, that is a baby rhino. It's laying down. So they're born at 88 to 140 pounds. This is a rhino calf. It's about 4 months old at this point.
We eat our lunch at the restaurant Asaurus. Some chicken tenders and fries because that is our favorite when we go to a Disney theme park.
So I got a sweet tea, and it's called Joffrey's Coffee and Tea Company, and I got the Joffrey tea, and I got it sweetened. It's not too sweet, not too bland, so it's just perfect for the weather. Got a cold brew with hazelnut added in. This is really good too, not too sweet.
We're at Magic Kingdom. Are we going to my train? tough to be a bug?
Yeah, it is. You know why it's tough to be a bug?
Why?
Because people like to squish them.
Hell yeah. You like to spray them.
Throughout here will reflect on those stripes, and it'll help to blend a lot of them in. The vertical white stripes down the side of the antelope bodies helps out as they sit in the trees. That sun will shine down. Can't really see past. You guys might look over to the right.
Walking up the Slinky Dog ride right here. We just walked into Toy Story Land.
We just got to our third park, which is Animal Kingdom. It is 7:03. They close at 8. We should have time to do 2 rides. 3 is pushing.